हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस प्री मार्केट रिपोर्ट जहाँ पे हम लोग बात करेंगे ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज़ एंड इवेंट दैट यू शुड कीप इन माइंड बिफोर प्लेसिंग एनी ट्रेड्स और looking for any investment opportunities. Yesterday, if you look at Nifty closes just below 25,000. It not yet 100% closed about 25,000. And similarly, Bank Nifty, it has not even crossed its major resistance. And the important support of Nifty is 24,780. If we fall below 24,780, we can see sharp down move. But looking at the XGX Nifty, it is currently at 250 points gap up. It's mainly because the Trump yesterday, he tweeted that Israel and Iran has agreed for a ceasefire, and this 12 days war has now been come to an end. So the Trump has made it clear that the war has been stopped. Yesterday, Israel struck on US bases, but they failed completely. But situation has now changed. Looks like the situation as of now has been changed. That the war has been stopped and they have agreed to the ceasefire. But today morning I was reading news that Israel is denying that they have been agreed to any ceasefire. I don't know how much this news has been true, but looking at the crude oil prices, which falls below $70 per barrel, it's a very positive thing for the market. Dow yesterday closed at 320 points gap up, positive. And if you look at US futures, now is it at 200 points plus. Looks like market has accepted that the war has been stopped and they have agreed to the ceasefire. But later with time we'll understand whether this is true or not. So far looks like market is very positive. Crude oil is falling, US is going up, US futures is up, SGX Nifty is showing gap up opening of about 25,200, which is 250 points from here. So looks like market is positive. Yesterday FI were also net buyers and DI were also net buyers. Looks like market has taken these things very positively. And in my previous pre-market report also I said that any war situation like this, if you get any gap down, these gap down usually get into bought into, right? These fall doesn't sustain for very long time. Definitely there will be some people who will buy this dip and let the market go higher. So whenever war situation like this happens, usually it's a buy on dip strategy. So crude oil price falling, SGX is going up, the global market is good. If you look at Taiwan market, if you look at China market, all these markets are up. Asian markets are very up. So I'll say again, 24,780 is gonna be very important support, and 25,000 now is gonna be a very important support. It is support. Now yesterday it was a resistance, now it becomes support. Next, closing above or trading about 25,200 will take the market to 26,000 or 26,200. So watch out for these levels and trade accordingly. With reduce your leverage and take the risk management very seriously. Thank you very much.